Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to buy your own domain from Namecheap.com. Right? There are plenty of domain providers that you can use, but I prefer using Namecheap.com. So first, just navigate to Namecheap.com. You're going to reach this page. Alright, so then you have to sign up first and fill in your username, password, and all your details here. But I already have an username, so I'll just log in now. Right. And you ask for my OTP, so I'll just fill in the OTP first. Alright. So now, this is inside Namecheap, so I want to buy a domain hikarikitchen.com, hikarikitchen.com, and we search. Alright, it's available, and if you can, you could use just make sure to copy this coupon code so you can use if you're the first time user. Alright, so make sure we have hikarikitchen.com, domain privacy, just make sure we don't need this premium DNS. Okay, and if you have the promo code, you can use the promo code, but I'm not a new user, so I can't use it, but since you're a new user, you should be able to get some discounts. Alright, so click confirm order. Okay, so just make sure the name is correct, hikarikitchen.com. Domain privacy, just set it to true. And this is my PayPal. I already have a PayPal. I use PayPal. You can use other payment options as well. Now check out this. So just click on check out with PayPal, or you can use other payment options. If you want to directly put your credit card, it's okay. You want to top up your account, it's also okay, but I prefer using PayPal. Okay. Alright, so just choose your card. Okay, done. So here, if you're in US dollar, just use US dollar, but if you're in any other currencies, so I prefer paying directly in US dollar. It's usually a bit cheaper than using PayPal's account, letting PayPal convert the amounts. Now, with your order, so we're completing the payment. Okay. Alright, so we have completed Hikarikitchen. Alright, so now, yes, we've done it. The domain is now ours, and you can go click manage here, and it's ours. So then we can now set the domain, we can set the DNS if needed. So all those others will be in our next video. Alright, so thank you very much, and congrats on having your new domain.